We are a project of Legal Aid of North Carolina. We were started in about 2008 by Sally Shear.
In North Carolina, the law allowed judges to appoint a guardian ad litem, who could be anybody, or an attorney, but it was a, quote, best interest attorney. We don't know what's best for a child. We're not trained for that. We weren't advocates, which is what lawyers are, and what I thought children needed. And once getting this thing formed and starting to actually represent kids, I realized how incredibly needed it was.
So when I was 16, my parents were going through a pretty hectic divorce. It had been going on since I was about 8. Every year I didn't feel like anything I said mattered, and so Miss Suzanne really helped me have a voice in court.
We tell our child clients, "You're my boss," and they love that. They always laugh, and then they always look very relieved, because most of the time they tell me their voice has never been heard.
And so what we do is we take their position and it informs the decisions that we make, the strategy that we decide on, and then we represent our child clients in court the same way that the other attorneys represent their clients, represent the parents. Generally, our clients are moving towards safety and away from an abusive situation.
The other thing which I came to realize after we had started it, we were able to help the parents and their attorneys work it out without having to go to court.
We would not be able to do the work that we do without pro bono attorneys. And we are continuing to seek experienced pro bono attorneys who would be willing to be trained in how to represent a child's voice. The grant that we have received from the Wake County Bar Association, we are very excited about it. It's kicking off our development. We're starting to raise our own funds so that we can have our own independent stream of income.
Funding means that we can represent more children.
I think it's clear that the judges like what they get from attorneys who represent the children, so bless them for doing such a great job and keeping it going.
I really believe that any child going through any situation even close to what I went through deserves a voice and deserves someone advocating for them.